here is an interesting exercise for you. Use of article A. Where do we use article A? That's what we are going to do. It's very interesting for you. Let's look. A is used before words that begin with consonants. If you take away A, E, I, O, U, the remaining are all consonants. So in front of that, article A can be used. And that's what we are going to do. Use of article A before consonants. Yes? It's very interesting. Look what we have. Let's go on to look at the first picture. Use of article A in front of consonants. Yes. Look at this. What do you see? What picture is this? Beautiful. B. Yes. What is this? Article A. Article A is used before consonant. Spell B. B, E, E, B. A, B. Read this. A, B. So we write down A, B. Yes? Isn't it interesting? Use of article A before consonants. Look at that. B is a consonant. Good. Let's look on to another picture. Look at this picture now. Article A. What is this? A hut. Spell hut. H-U-T, hut. Now read. A hut. H is a consonant. So a hut. Therefore, a hut. H-U-T, hut. A hut. Read this. A hut. So use of consonant, use of article A, you learnt it now. Is it interesting? Yes. Putting A before the consonant. Excellent, isn't it? Good. Let's go on to another picture. Look at this picture now. Who is this sitting here? Crocodile. Your article A. Read now. A crocodile. A crocodile. Okay? How do you spell crocodile? C. It begins with C. So, a crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. A crocodile. A crocodile. Yes? Now you learned how to use article A. Yes, in front of consonants. Is it interesting? Let's look at another picture. Look. With this. He's got his head right up. Camel. Read. A camel. Use of article A in front of consonant. A camel. Now, a. Camel begins with letter C. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. A camel. Yes. Now you're beginning to read properly. Yes. Article A in front of the consonant. A camel. Lovely, isn't it? Did you enjoy? Let's look at another picture. Who is sitting here? Kangaroo. How do you know it's a kangaroo? The pouch. And the little baby Joey sits inside that. Yes? Kangaroo. Read. A kangaroo. Kangaroo begins with letter K. Use of article A in front of consonant. A kangaroo. K. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. A kangaroo. Yes? Did you enjoy? Let's go on to our next picture. Look. What do you see here? Lovely, fresh green leaf. Read. A leaf. Article A used in front of consonant. Leaves begins with letter L. A leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. A leaf. Good. Did you enjoy? Let's look at the next picture. What is this? Lock. Where do you use this? On the door. At the gate. Yes? Read. A lock. A lock. Article A used before consonant. Lock begins with the letter L. Good. A lock. L-O-C-K, lock. A lock. Are you enjoying, children? Let's look at the next picture. Look what we have here. You love to eat this? Mango. Read. A mango. Article A is put in front of consonant. Mangoes begins with letter M. Very good. So, a mango. Spell mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Very good. Let's look at our next picture. See what we have here. You love this? What is this? Rose. Where do you use the rose? You put it on your head. You give it to mom or teacher on special days. Read. A rose. Rose begins with letter R. It's a consonant. Article A is used before consonant. A rose. R-O-S-E, rose. A rose. Are you enjoying, children? Use of article A in front of consonants? Good. Let's go on to our next picture. Here we are. You have somebody very interesting. Squirrel. How do you know it's a squirrel? It's got a long, bushy tail. A squirrel. Article A used instead of consonant. Squirrel begins with letter S. Very good. A squirrel. Spell squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Squirrel. A squirrel. Good. Let's go on to our next picture. Very good. What do you see here? What letter is this? Letter A. Article A. Tiger. A tiger. Read. A tiger. A. Article A used in front of consonant. Tiger begins with letter T. So, a tiger. A tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. A tiger. Good. Let's look at a new picture. You like this? Train. Train. Where are you going? You can go anywhere in the long train. Article A is always put before the consonant. Train. Spell train. T. So consonant T. Now, a train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. A train. Good. A train. Let's go on to a new picture. With this. Zebra. A zebra. Zebra begins with letter Z. So, letter A. That is, article A is put in front of consonant Z. A zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. A zebra. I'm sure you are enjoying the exercise. Let's look at a new picture. Who sleeps inside that? Tiny baby. And what is it called? Cot. A cot. Article A is put before consonant. Spell cot. C-O-T, cot. A cot. C-O-T, cot. A cot. Good. Let's look at another picture. What is this? Cycle. You have a toy cycle? You have your real cycle? Good. What do? You ride on it. Article A is put in front of consonant. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. A cycle. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. A cycle. Good. Let's look at another picture. Here we are. What is this? Money. It's a coin. A coin. Article A put in front of consonant C. C-O-I-N, coin. A coin. A. C-O-I-N, coin. A coin. Are you enjoying the exercise? Article A in front of consonant. C is a consonant. Let's go on to another picture. What is this? Ball. You play with the ball? Yes. Article A, put in front of the consonant. Ball spelling B-A-L-L, ball. So, a ball. A ball. B-A-L-L, ball. So, you read it as a ball. Article A in front of, put in front of the consonant B. A ball. Let's look at a new picture. You love to play with this? What is it? Bat. A bat. Consonant B. So you say article A is put in front of the word, the letter B, that's a consonant. So you read it as, read aloud, a bat. A bat. Very good. Are you enjoying? Shall we look at another picture? Yes. What is this? Bell. Have you seen this bell? Yes, you ring the bell in your puja room. A bell. Spell bell. B-E-L-L, bell. Article A is put in front of the consonant B. B-E-L-L, bell. Now read a bell. Good. Let's look at another picture. What is this? You wear this on your head, don't you? Cap. Article A, put in front of the consonant cap. C, letter C. So you read it as a cap. A cap. Read a cap. Good. Let's go on to another picture. Look. Have you seen this? What does he say? Cock-a-doodle-doo. It's a cock. A cock. Cock begins with letter C, consonant. So we put down the article A in front of that. A cock. A cock. Spell cock. C-O-C-K. Cock. A cock. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Here we are. You love this? What is it? Drum. Drum begins with letter D. D is a consonant. So, a drum. Article A is put in front of it. A drum. Read a drum. Spell drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. A drum. Are you enjoying? Shall we look at another picture? Look. What is this? Goat. Goat begins with letter G. G is a consonant. Article A is put in front of that. Read now. A goat. A goat. Spell goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. A goat. Good. Let's go on to our next picture. This is a toy. Gun. Yes. Gun. Begins with letter G. G is a consonant. So we have article A in front. A gun. Yes. A gun. A. G-U-N. Gun. A gun. Very good. Are you enjoying, children? Let's take another picture. Look. What do you do with this? You wear it on your head to keep the sun off, to keep the rain off. A hat. Hat spell H. So consonant H. So you read it as a hat. A hat. H-A-T hat. A hat. Good. Did you enjoy, children? Good. So article A is put in front of H. That's a consonant. Let's look at another picture. Yes? Look what we have here. Babe. Who is this? Tiny baby. Spell bib. B-I-B. Bib. B. It begins with B. So article A is put in front of that. A bib. A bib. B-I-B. Bib. A bib. Good.